Alright folks, today we have a 2000 Honda Odyssey minivan for sale. Alright, it does have some issues and we'll go over that here in the video, so let's start it up. Alright, so as you can see, starts right up there. It does have an issue with the, I don't know if you guys can read that. That's a sliding door. It does have an issue with one of the sliding doors, it just doesn't open. Anyway, it's a 2000, 165, 318. That's our mileage. Alright. Okay. Let's just real quick go over some of our options. Power windows. Power windows there. We have our two vents in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that opening or not. Alright, let me swing it around here. Alright, power mirrors. Okay, and as you can see, that one is there, but it's hanging off the side of the car. So like I said, this is a project car, a parts car really, and it has some codes on it, I believe trans codes as well. So yeah, you know, air's coming out cold, aftermarket radio. I have no idea if this thing works. I don't know where the button is. Alright, so you get the idea. So let's have a look at our motor now. Alright, 3.5 liter V6, and I believe I rev it up for you so you guys can listen to it. Alright, so that's our motor. I'll let you have a quick look around. Alright, and let's have a quick look at our body here. As you see, body's in pretty good shape. Paint's pretty solid. Some dings and dents. You see a little dimple there. Let's have a look up top. Alright, I don't know why I had this open, but we'll get to the interior in a second. Alright, and here's a shot of our door panel. And down low. Alright, and here's a shot of our trunk up top. I'll back off and give you a shot from the back here. Alright, here's our bumper. And you can see we do have a hitch underneath. Alright, let's go back up top from this side. Oh, frickin' bird just crapped on the car. That's great. Alright. Okay, as you see, body's in pretty good shape on this side. Except for one scratch. We'll show you that in just a second here. Alright, there's our mirror. Alright, and there you can see there's the scratch all the way down the side. Alright, so I'm just giving you guys a quick look here. I'll get you a quick look at the interior now. Alright. There's a shot. There's our driver's seat. Our dashboard. Passenger seat. Shot of our floor. Power door on this side. Alright, and this is the power door that does not open. Alright, so there's a look at the seat there and our floor. flip that forward, and we'll have a look in the back here. Okay. All right, there you go. You can see our power door going there. All right, now we can get to the back. With the fold-down stove seat in the back here, so you can have this whole flat space in the back. All right, folks. All right, now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to hop in and just roll it around the lot here so that the car does move on its own power. All right, and you can hear that chime. That's from the sliding door saying it's not closed, which, I mean, it is. You can't open it, but... All right, so as you can see here, all right, so it is something that we can move around. So if you have to, tow it, no problem there. Now we're in reverse here. All right, folks, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.